Hey card making friends, when is the last time you paid $27.95 for a card workshop and walked away with 12 cards including envelopes? If that's never happened before, it probably means you haven't tried Club Scrap. Let's take a look at the brand new Nantucket Card Kit and see what we can make together. The centerpiece of every card kit we ship to your door is the paper. Right away, you'll see 2 sheets of beautiful 12 by 12 printed paper on a text weight. And then you'll have various cover weight papers as well. 2 8.5 by 11 white, 2 12 by 12 red, 2 12 by 12 light blue, kraft, and then dark blue. Next up, you'll find the cut-aparts in your kit, and these include all of the pieces of artwork to embellish both the outside and inside, plus the sentiments for every greeting card we'll make. Your kit will include several yards of ribbon, a yard of this pale blue, a yard of this really beautiful cotton red, and then 2 yards of a craft colored jute. You'll get an entire sheet of these star-shaped dazzle stickers, a set of 4 of these cute little mini sleeves, a set of 4 craft banner tags, and a dozen envelopes. That's 4 each of 3 different sizes. So at any time, you can download and print your Nantucket Card Kit instructions and then follow along with me during the workshop video. Together, we will trim and score all of the papers. You'll learn so much along the way, and in the end, you'll have those 12 cards. We'll make a set of 4 5x7 cards. The formula here is sort of like a quilted setup with all these different size rectangles. And again, when we trim the papers, they'll be perfectly aligned. And then we will decorate this little craft tag here, attach it with foam adhesive, and then you'll have everything you need for the outside and inside. We'll do 2 vertical versions and then 2 horizontal. Next up, we're making a nice single fold card here that fits into the A6 envelope. I'm featuring those little white sleeves and the tag that goes inside with the sentiment of your choice. You can embellish those with the star dazzles, and again, the inside of each card is decorated as well. Finally, we'll make a set of this really cool pleated card. I'll guide you through the scoring and folding of this cool pleat that leaves a little spot for us to slide our cute little embellishment here. We've got the ribbon, the red star dazzles, our sentiment. The whole thing is complete. And again, all of this for just $27.95 for that membership price on our card kit. Once you're done, you can put those cards into the envelope we've included and send them to someone you love. So grab that Nantucket Card Kit today. Anyone can shop at Club Scrap, but members always save. I'll see you in the class.